Interior point of view. 80 degrees in Tennessee today. 1976 Buick Electra Limited. Judicial black with a red interior. The most important thing, no knee crack on the dash. $39,000 miles. Pretty loaded car. Even the 4-note horn. I do have a dash pad on the top just to keep the sun off. But this is such a low mileage car. It does have a aftermarket killer stereo that was mounted so that it could be removed without any modifications. Even has Bluetooth up there, as you can see. Rare option. Modded courtesy mirror. It's called mahogany velour. Look at the back. I want to say goodbye. Four-door hardtop. No post. Gorgeous day.